Hello, today we are going to learn winter vocabulary. Let's go. Here are some sentence frames to help you talk about winter vocabulary. I see a. My favorite winter activity is. I like the. In winter I wear. In the winter I enjoy. And finally, I like winter weather because. Snowboarding, ice skating, sledding, skiing, shoveling, boots, pine cone, mittens, penguin, polar bear, cardinal, fox, snowman, snow, cookie, hot chocolate. Come back anytime to review your winter words. Thank you so much for watching. Please go comment using one of your winter words. Can't wait to read your comments. Bye!